Master the foundation of modern development. Build robust, scalable systems with our comprehensive Core Java course. Begin your journey by demystifying the Java environment. Master the JVM and the fundamental syntax that drives professional code. Unlock the power of object-oriented programming. Learn to design secure, modular software through advanced classes and inheritance. Elevate your logic with modern abstraction. Harness the flexibility of interfaces and lambdas to write cleaner, more efficient code. Build software that stands the test of time. Master exception handling and system assertions to create truly fault-tolerant applications. Accelerate your career with 15 in-depth chapters and over 90 learning objectives designed for total professional mastery. Step into a high-demand career as a backend systems developer, where top-tier roles command salaries exceeding $145,000. Bridge the gap between theory and practice. Prepare for real-world enterprise scenarios and master the technical skills required for success. Follow our proven roadmap, starting with syntax fundamentals, moving through complex architecture, and ending with advanced, resilient system design. Are you ready to engineer the future? Enroll today and start your professional journey with full access for $239. Our team is here to help you succeed. Contact our support specialists at any time for assistance with your enrollment.